lemonade. Our ingredients for today are sugar, lemon, coloring, ice, water, and a lemon mixer. For style, I'll put lime. First, you open the lemon mixer's cap. Then you squeeze the lemon. Let's squeeze it. Now you put the lemonade in the cup. Then you add the sugar. Then you add water. Now you add 1 drop of color to the lemonade. Look at the color. It looks beautiful. Now let's pour it into this cup. Let me taste this. Now it's time to take a taste test. So good. I love it. Smash the like button and hit the notification and click the subscribe button. I'll see you next.